Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restart your ThinkPad X13s. To restart your laptop, you can either open the Start menu, then go to Power Options and select Restart or Update and Restart depending on the situation. Or if this menu is unavailable for some reason, for any reason, you can force restart your device by holding down the power key until the LED indicator next to your power key goes off. And once it does, this indicates that your device is turned off. So right now, to re-enable it, you have to wait for a couple of seconds and then short press the power button again and just wait until your device is relaunched. And so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.